Well, it's that time of year when millions of Americans are looking for some help filing their taxes.
In tonight's Legal Lens, Fox 2 Chef Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary, who's to blame if something goes wrong?
So, Andrea, this time of the year, I know people want to know if a tax preparer makes a mistake with a client's taxes. Is it the accountant, the tax preparer, who's on the hook for that, or is it on the client's end?
So general rule that if your tax preparer makes a mistake resulting in additional fines, penalties, interest, it is the taxpayer that is on the hook for that mistake. But the important thing to note is some tax preparation services do offer an accuracy guarantee. So usually what that means is if the tax penalties or interest or additional money due is because of a tax preparation error, as opposed to just not including everything or not reporting everything to your tax preparer, that they will then pay.
Does it make a difference if you file your taxes with an accountant or an online service?
It can, one, because of the accuracy guarantee that some of these tax preparation services do offer. And the second reason I think it makes a big difference is because it depends on the complexity of your return. If it's a complex return, the odds are of getting it correct increase when you pay for expertise. So if you have a very simple return, they're simply done with these, online services or for free. But if you have a complex issue or a complex return, it is worth exploring hiring a professional.
Any other advice for people this time of the year as they think about maybe turning to someone else to take care of the taxes?
Sure. So unfortunately, we all know from a lot of other angles in our life that scams are real. So you want to make sure that they have an IRS identification number. Whoever is preparing your taxes, it's required under both federal and state law. You want to consider, like I said, hiring maybe a CPA or a tax attorney if you have more complex issues. And then I think most importantly is if you make under $79,000 individually, the IRS Free File tool is available to all American citizens. And only 2% of the population actually used that tool last year, but it offers free services for federal and some state tax preparation. So keep that as an option.
I know it's a time of year a lot of people feel intimidated by having to go through the process, so we appreciate the information. Andrea McNary with Brown and Crouppen, thank you.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens every Wednesday evening right here on Fox 2 News at 6.